So we're back again with another Rockin' Feature. So back here. And today, as you can see, I'm alone. Elkizan is busy these days. I'm very busy. Which for amazing. Singa guys, but I'm really sorry. But my week's chichi, good but I'll be back again. And sorry for the delay. So today we're reacting to World 10 Dai Zvaibvira. So this song is dedicated to one of his friends who passed away a few weeks ago, and I'm really sorry for your loss, World 10. And so it was very painful, guys. But RIP, and I'm really sorry, World 10. Okay, so let's get straight into it, guys, and like, share, and subscribe, and shout out to El Kizano, and subscribe to his channel. Keep subscribing, guys, and subscribe to my channel. Road to 10k, guys. Just left with 3k Jaydee, guys. But just subscribe and comment down below what you think. Let's get straight into it. Yes, sir.
Dai Zvaibvira. 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 Zvakasaratika pazoboka anga wakafenza zvakakosha anga wakapedza bombs anga wakatenga.
Guys, this song, the beat, I can hear the beat, guys. It's crazy, and it's too emotional. This song, guys, it's too emotional. This is very emotional, guys. I can feel his pain in this video. In my video, my true one, I can feel his pain, and being strong, man. Yes, sir.
Ichariwana kubipipi takati wanezvicha manifesta upawaenda sina kupedza. Dai Zvaibvira. Dai Zvaibvira. Dai Zvaibvira. Dai Zvaibvira. Dai Zvaibvira.
Yeah, guys, this is a touching instrument, guys. This is a touching instrument. Shout out to Samanyanga Sounds. I can see all the pieces, guys. We'll keep supporting your music, man. Just keep bringing the bangers to us.
Come boys, it's a baby. Tatora wangu Jaydee with my baby. I wish we could reset and go at it.
No, I can't do my baby. I was like, I get with my baby. I get my baby. I was when I was the kid with my baby. I don't know what the piece. What you doing, my baby?
Come boys, it's a baby. Tatora wangu Jaydee with my baby. I wish we could reset and go at it. Vatiki kuma days in my Putin in my zepi. Sangova Dangariro. 1 minute till the show, and the next in a Mario. I've never been as choked. Bro, Maris Avatora, Mandan Tano Toranji. As is it easy, Jemir. Nathan Gani tell me who to repindite. I want wango hanga takati, Kyori Pue. Sa, Tangati name my dreams, Tirimuntek. Dai Zvaibvira. Dai Zvaibvira. Dai Zvaibvira. Dai Zvaibvira. Dai Zvaibvira. Dai Zvaibvira.
Okay. I can see your voice is portraying the pain. This is a good piece. Give it a good 10. And I'm saying again, really sorry for your loss. RIP. Yeah, and guys, just comment down below what you think of this song, and always on my comments, guys. This is on my comments I repeat. I know I am as one video. I don't bother such good, guys. It's easy right now, but he'll be back soon. Promise he'll be back soon. And guys, just keep watching. Kana chitandega futhi manje mungoramba mshuka like futhi ngibona subscribe guys. So it's a boy Casey, and yes sir.